explain about the highest common factors. So to find the highest common factor of the numbers, first of all, we need to write the factors of the given numbers 20 and 25. So now I'm going to write the factors of 20. So 20, you should start with this one table. So 1 times 20 is you can write 20. So next you should start with check with the two tables. So 2 times it will come in a 2 table. So 2 times 10 you will get. On 20, it is not come in a 3 table, and it will come in a 4 table. 4 times 5 is 20. Then again 5 table also it will come. Then reverse has the reverse process started. So the factors are ended now. Therefore, the factors of 20, what is the factors of 20 now? The factors of 20 is 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Now write the factors of 25. Now check with the one table. So 1 is the factor of every number. So start with one table. So 1 times 25 is 25. Again, the 25 is not coming in a 2 table, and 25 is not coming in a 3 table, and 25 is not coming in a 4 table also. So again, it will come in a 5 table. So 5 times 5 is 25. Now the factors are ended with this 25. Therefore, the factors of 25 is equal to 1, 5, 25. Now, what are the common factors now? First, we need to pick the common factors. So, common factors 1 is there, and 5 also will be there. So, 1 is a common factor and 5 is a common factor. But in this 2, 5 is a big number. So, 5 is a highest common number. Therefore, HCF of 20 and 25 is 5. So we are picking highest common factor of this 20 and 25 of 12. So 12 it is coming start with the one table. So 12 is coming in 1 times 12 again 12 comes in 2 table time, that is 2 times 6 again this 12 is comes in 3 tables, that is 3 times 4 again 4 times 3 again 6 times 2 12 times 1 The factors of 12 now 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Now you should pick the factor. Now you can write the factors of 12. So 12, 18 is coming in an 18 table. So one table. So 1 18 is 18. Again this 18 is comes in 2 tables. That is 2 times 9 Again this 18 is comes in a 3 table. That is 3 times 6 Again it's not coming in a 4 table and as well as 5 table. So it will come again 6 table. 6 times 3 is 9 times 2 is 18 ones. Next, therefore, the factors of 18 is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. Now, what are the common factors? First, we should have the common factors. That's 1 is a common factor, and 2 is a common factor, and 3 also is a common factor. The next 6 is a common factor. If from all these 1, 2, 3, 6, what is the highest common factor is 6. Therefore, HCF of 12 and 18 is 6. So we can write the highest common factor. Next problem. We are finding the HCF of 3 numbers, that is 24, 28, and 32. So first you should write the individual factors of 24, 28, and 32. So always the factors are start with one table and 1 is the factor of every number. So 1 times 24 is 24. Again this 24 is coming in a 2 table, that is 2. So 2 times 2 is again 3 table is coming, 3 times 8 is 24. Again it will come in a 4 table, 4 times 6 is 24. Again it won't come in a 5 table, again it will come in a 6 table, 6 already here. So we can conclude that factors are ended for this 24. Then the factors of 24 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, and 8, 12, and 24. Now, next we are finding the factors of 28. So, one table it will come 128 then it 228 is coming in 2 table, 2 ones are 2 14s are 28. Again 28 it is not coming in a 2 table, 3 table, but it will come 4 table, that is 4 times 7s are 28. Then it won't come 5 table and 6 table also it won't come, again 7 table it will come. So the factors are ended for this number 28. The factors of 28 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. These are the factors of 28. Now next write the factors of 32. So 1 times 32 is the 32. Then you should take the 2 table. 2 times 16 the 32. So 32 it is not come in the 3 table. 4 table it will come. That is 4 times 8 is the 32. Then 4 times 5 table it won't come, 6 table also it won't come, again 6 table it won't come, 7 table it won't come, so 8 it will come, again 8 table. So the next factors of 32 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Now you should write the common factors for this number. So rounding, so 1 is a common factor, so 2 is a common factor. Now next to 4 is a common factor for this 3. Now there is no other common factor. So out of this 1, 2, 4, so 4 is the highest common factor. So our HCF of 24, 28 and 32 is 4.